Hi everyone, I'm Ping from Promove Bangkok. Today I'm at the 2-bedroom modern condo in Ari Soi 2. This bright unit is come fully furnished and has the rooftop pool, you know that. And then it's just located about 10-minute walk from the BTS Ari station and next to the most famous Mexican restaurant in Ari, Raptor. So let's check it out.
Cheers for that, Ping. Welcome everybody to this 2-bedroom property on Soi Ari 2 at the Fin condominium. As you can see, it opens up to a nice bright living and dining room area and the second bedroom, which is a spacious double. Plenty of storage space in that cupboard. The room comes complete with a large double bed, a TV and of course a beautiful view out onto Soi Ari. There's also a stunning, recently renovated bathroom, which is also entranced from the main living area. This beautiful, modern and well laid out apartment comes fully furnished, and in the living room we've got a nice sofa, 4-seater dining table, balcony with unblocked views, and then we head into the kitchen, which is fully equipped with a washing machine, 2-headed hot plate, fridge freezer, extractor fan, and of course a wash basin and plenty of storage space. That then leads through into a light, bright master bedroom. Once again, all the bedrooms have got TVs on the wall. There's a king-size mattress with this one, a large wardrobe, and of course, no bedroom is complete without its very own ensuite. So after we take in that view, let's check out the beautiful, well-finished bathroom. This 2-bed, 2-bathroom modern development comes fully equipped throughout. It's a really good design with a bedroom on either side of the living room, making it ideal if you have guests so you can have that private space. There's a balcony, which offers a private, beautiful view of Ari in the distance. But what about the facilities? This development has a fantastic gym, a rooftop pool, and is ideal for young professionals or couples or sharers.
So now we are here at the rooftop pool with the 2-bedroom condominium in Ari Soi 2. If you're interested for this one, give us a call or visit our website www.promovebangkok.com.
Nice. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you liked the property, and if there's anything you'd like to know, feel free to give us a call on 0907276508 or follow our website www.promovebangkok.com. Thanks again and have a great day.